Welcome to the Transparent FX Academy. If you're new to the channel, I'm Nick and I've been a top author on TradingView for many years, as well as being one of the only traders with a fully verified MyFX book track record. So if you want to elevate your trading, you're definitely in the right place. So subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So take a second, pause the video, read the disclaimer, and I will see you on the charts. In this video, I'll speak about EURUSD. Now, as usual, to keep the video as educational as possible, first I'll give you the technical aspect, then I'll move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing and how they are moving and shifting their orders, and then I'll put together these two different types of analysis. So this is definitely a video you do not want to miss. Now, starting here from the monthly time frame, what we can see is that we have a market which at the moment is trapped in between two quite important levels. We have the top here currently acting as resistance. In fact, already in several occasions, the market has tested this zone and respected it as resistance. At the same time, we have the bottom here currently acting as support, and we can see how already in multiple occasions here at the bottom, already the market has respected its zone. So from a monthly standpoint, we have a range-bound market. Usually, the market likes to test these levels one at a time. So essentially, we have the top, a test of the low, then a test of the high, then a test of the low. The last test was of the high of the range. So the next logical step would be for the market to go and test the low of the range, which means in this case that there is room for some more bearish price action to be created away from this level for the market to actually go and test the low. So here on the monthly, the situation is clear. Let's drop down on the weekly time frame and see what we have now. Just a quick interruption. Let me know in the comments below any new pairs or topics that you would like me to cover in my next videos, because I'm always open to suggestions. From a weekly standpoint, what we can notice that we have a market which at the moment is entering a quite significant level of structure. This zone was acting as previous resistance. The market then broke it to the upside. At that point, that previous resistance became support. After that, the market broke back below the level, which means that that previous support was then turned resistance. So at the moment, we have a retest of previous weekly support, which is now turned resistance, with a good probability of seeing the market react to that zone and reject lower, which essentially at that point would also be quite interesting because it would give us the test of the low of the range that we have just identified on the monthly time frame. So a rejection away from this level would make the monthly and weekly time frames aligned. Let's keep this in mind and drop down on the daily time frame. Now, from a daily perspective, what we can notice is that, of course, the level of resistance that we identified on the weekly, on the daily is even more visible. In fact, we can see how in many days the market tested its zone, and every single time we immediately saw strong institutional buying pressure at this level. Now, what we know is that previous support, once it's broken to the downside, becomes resistance. So the market is currently testing this resistance, and there is good probability inside of here to see an accumulation of shorts on EURUSD. In fact, if we move to the commitment of traders to see what the big players in the market are doing, and we are looking at the data for the euro, we can notice that this data is already for EURUSD, because all currencies on the spot are already, in this case, of course, is futures, but it is already reported against the USD. So when we look at the report for the euro, it is already reported against the USD, which is in fact what we're currently analyzing. So what we can see if we look at the change on the shorts is that institutions with the last report added 19,000 shorts. At the same time, they closed 15,000 longs. So currently the net positions got decreased from 48K down to 13K with 205K shorts. So this is one of the high levels that we had. In fact, this is a massive increase just with one report, going from 186K up to 205. As we saw, is 19,000 shorts added to the last report, with at the same time a significant amount of longs getting closed. This means that institutions are moving back to the bearish side for EURUSD. So as institutions are shorting EURUSD, it comes as no surprise that the price has been moving lower. And by the way, if you still haven't, make sure that you join my free Telegram channel, which you'll find linked in the description, so you never miss new updates. Now, back to the analysis. So in this kind of situation, what will I expect? Now, as usual, and as my students know very well, the monthly, weekly, and daily timeframes combined with the COT data, those are the best timeframes when it comes to the directional aspect of the market. However, when it comes to identifying early shifts in the trend of a market, the best timeframes for that are the intraday timeframes, so 4 hour and lower. Therefore, what I would expect is that if this market would shift from an intraday bullish to a bearish market, I wouldn't be surprised to see a potential rejection lower away from this area for the market to complete this daily impulse correction and impulse pattern to the downside. That definitely wouldn't surprise me. Now, all this free analysis, education, and updates that you see me share here on YouTube are actually just the tip of the iceberg. In fact, if you want to learn more, I really suggest that you head over to the website, which is linked in the description. Here, you have the possibility to gain access to my complete program. In it, you will have access to all the courses that I ever created. So everything I have learned in the market in all these years, easily packaged and delivered to you directly from me. So I follow you one-on-one directly in the program. So everything, including the program, you can ask me questions. You have my personal contact directly from your student dashboard. You also gain access to the same COT data software that you see me use in all my analysis. You also have the possibility to gain access to my live trading show. So essentially you can watch me trade live every single day. So as the day progresses, you see all the positions as they're open, closed, managed. You also have the possibility to gain access to my exact strategies. And in fact, on the website, you also see a 10 years back test of all 9 my strategies. So I suggest to go and check it out. If you continue to scroll down on the website past the testimonials, you will see that at the moment there is a really amazing special running. So if you're even only remotely interested in learning more, I really suggest that you go and check it out. The link is in the description and I will see you in it because it is really the last program that you will ever need to join. This is the last time that you will have to look for any kind of program because it's really super complete. There is everything from start to finished and you are guided along the way directly from me. So looking forward to see you on board. I will see you on your student dashboard. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you drop a like and a comment. It really helps with the creation of new free analysis and education. And I will see you in my next video.